This week we have been learning and talking about our letters in the alphabet. I want you to see if you can name some of these letters with me. A, B, C, D, E, and F. Great job. Now we are going to play a little game and we are going to match the uppercase letters with the lowercase letters. And remember, each letter in the alphabet has an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. This is a lowercase d. Can you find its partner? Can you find the uppercase d that it matches with? That's right. This is the uppercase d, and it matches the lowercase d. All right, let's do our next one. Can you name this letter? Remember, it's a lowercase letter. It's the lowercase e. Great job. Let's find the uppercase e. Let's find its partner. I want you to look and see if you can find the uppercase E. When you find it, I want you to give me a thumbs up. Where is the uppercase E that matches the lowercase e? That's right here. We have our uppercase and our lowercase e. Which letter is this? And just like our other ones, this is a lowercase letter, and we are looking to find the uppercase letter that it matches with. Which one is the uppercase letter that it matches with? That's right, we have our lowercase a, and this is our uppercase a that it matches with. Which letter is this? A lowercase f. This is our lowercase f. Can you find its match? When you find its match, I want you to point to it. Great job. This is the uppercase f. We have our uppercase f and our lowercase f. All right, we have just a couple more. Which letter is this? That's right, it's a lowercase b. Where is the uppercase b that it matches with? We have our lowercase b. Let's find the uppercase b. That's right, this is our uppercase b that it matches with. So we have our uppercase a, our lowercase a, our uppercase b, and our lowercase b. So our very last one. Which letter is this one? A lowercase c. That's right. Which letter is our uppercase c that we need to match it with? That's right here. This is our uppercase c. Let's double check our work just to make sure we have everything exactly where we want it. So we have our A and our lowercase a. Which letter is this one? B, lowercase b, C, lowercase c. Do you remember which letter this one is? Our uppercase D, and this is our lowercase d. Our uppercase, that's right, uppercase E, and our lowercase e. And the very last one that we have today is our uppercase F and our lowercase f.